Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Counter-Strike 2 is crashing or crashing on startup on your PC. Guys, first open up the Steam, then just click on the Counter-Strike 2 game. Now just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option, and if your game is crash on startup, so just type this command in your launch option. The first command is -tx11. Once you type it, now launch the game, then check if you still crash. And if yes, then type your -tx12. Now launch the game, then check still crashing, then just remove the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game. Then launch the game, then check still crash, then just click on the install files, then just click on the verify integrity of game files. And guys, it will take some time, so wait for it, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Guys, locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. Once you find your CS2 game launcher, so make a right click on it and go to its properties. Then just go to the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box. Now just check the box of administrator, then just click on apply. Now launch the game, then check still crashing, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, then click on apply. Now launch the game and check is still crashing or not. And if yes, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. If your game is still crash on startup, so just close it and make a right click on your taskbar. You will see the task manager, so open it. Guys, go to the startup application you are seeing on the top, and guys, disable all the application you are seeing here, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and causing your game crash issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check still not working, then just go to your Windows, type here the updates. Now Windows update appear on the top, so just open it. Guys, simply update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. And once you update your Windows or graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crash on startup or any kind of crash issues have persist, then simply optimize your PC for gaming. Guys, there is 14 to 15 steps that you need to apply on your PC and setting to optimize your PC for any game you play on your PC. And once you optimize your PC for gaming, then restart your PC. This will definitely fix your any kind of crashing issues on the CS2 game. And if you find this to be helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.